everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn your gray hair to black by using just potato peel. Like literally, there is a chemical in potato peel that helps you to darken your gray hair. Yeah, and other ingredients that I'm going to be adding to it is going to make it superb and amazingly effective. Okay, so thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. Okay, let me walk you through into this video. You're going to be needing to use henna powder. You can actually order this online. I got it online too. Yeah, and henna powder is a great remedy that helps to darken your hair. Okay, mixing it with other natural homemade remedy, it helps so much to give your hair that darkness. So what I'm going to do, going to be taking 2 tablespoons of henna powder, depending on how long your hair is or how short your hair is. Okay, so this is it. And then the next ingredient, we're going to be needing coffee. You can use this fingerlings coffee, or you can use your coffee grain, blend it and have it, you know, mixed to your ingredients. This is actually very helpful and it's going to turn that gray hair to black, and you're going to be loving it with this natural homemade remedy. So you're going to open it, and then you're going to turn in all of the coffee into the henna powder and give it a stir. Dry mix it, because this is the only dry ingredients we have. Every other one is a fresh ingredient that has juice. So the next ingredient on the list is potato, and in this potato we're going to be needing to use the potato skin, which is the potato back or the potato peel, anyone you want to call it. Okay, this is actually a new discovery that helps so much to darken your hair. Okay, so this is how we're going to be doing it. We're going to be peeling just the potato skin, and before you peel it, you have to wash it, so you're not literally just, you know, putting dirt onto your hair. So you do it this way. Peel all of it. Now this skin is actually what we need, guys. Yeah, that is going to help you to darken your hair. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be transferring this potato skin into a blender, and we're going to be putting in just a little water, and we're going to be keeping it aside. Yeah, we're equally going to be making use of onion, and in this particular remedy, onion is actually going to help to increase your hair length and make your hair grow really well, avoiding split ends and all of that, while the potato peel is going to help to darken it up. Okay, so that's why we need to add up a little onion to spice up the ingredients. So you're going to prepare this. Alright, so after that, then we're going to be cutting this. and then we're going to be putting it into the blender. Now we would have to go and blend this really good, and I'll be right back. Okay, just putting a little bit water so they can enable the blending process fasten. Yeah, so done blending, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be turning it into a bigger container. And then this is the potato peel and the onion juice. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is to turn the henna and the coffee in it. I'm actually gonna be mixing this. Okay guys, so after mixing it, then we're gonna be sieving it out to remove all of the juice. So this is just a very simple way on how I sieve out. Now you're going to be seeing how this is going to look like. Yeah, so the good part of this hair darkening remedy is that there are some hair darkening treatments that actually makes, actually makes people's hair break and all of that, but this particular one is actually not going to make your hair break. And this is how you're going to be applying it. You permit me to use my hand. It's actually really thick and it is smooth, so you can just pour it into your hair. After you keep it for like 2 hours, it's going to, as long as you keep it, it's actually going to be darker and all of that. So you pour it into your hair. Okay, now I'm not going to be leaving it on my hand for too long because it's going to make my hands dark. Okay, you would pour it and then you use your hand and massage your hair inside like that. Okay, when you finish massaging your hair inside just like that, then you can wear a shower cap. Okay, use a shower cap to keep this treatment into your gray hair, and trust me, in the next 1 hour your hair is going to turn really dark. Okay, that I really need to quickly clean this so that it's not going to turn dark. So your hair is going to turn dark in the next 1 hour. You apply it, put on a shower cap, let the heat hit in there, and this is going to turn your gray hair to black. Okay, so try it out and let me know how it is, and you're gonna be loving it. So it's going to darken just the ones that are gray already outside. Okay, so that's it. It is very simple, amazing, and superb and effective. Yeah, so go try this out. Despite the fact that I tried it on my hands, I literally do not have gray hair. So go try it out, cover it up with shower cap, leave it for as long as you can, and it's effectively effectively effective. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you soon in my next video. If you do love the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and I'll see you again. Bye guys, and ciao.